The first preliminary step is to gain management commitment and to assemble a food safety team. Management commitment is extremely important to ensure that resources are dedicated to this team effort. Designate at least one member of the food safety team as a PCQI or Preventive Controls Qualified Individual who has successfully completed the FDA-recognized food safety training curriculum or is qualified through job experience to develop a food safety plan. PCQI does not have to be an employee of the facility, but it is beneficial for a facility to have at least one PCQI on staff to oversee development and implementation of the food safety plan. The team should be multidisciplinary and represent individuals from all areas of the facility. For example, this team can include representatives from QA, R&D, sanitation, maintenance, shipping and receiving, production, or purchasing departments. Bringing in knowledge from different parts of operations helps identify food safety risks from different points of view and reduce risk of missing key food safety considerations. It also encourages ownership of the plan and facilitates communication to each department. Prepare a list of all food safety team members to identify the team leader, the title of each member, their contact information, and the type of training they have received. If a consultant is hired to support the company's food safety programs, his or her name can be added to the list of team members as a secondary member. Keep both the food safety team member list and their training records updated to reflect the knowledge of the team with regard to the application of risk-based preventive controls. In addition to writing and developing the food safety plan, the team oversees implementation of the plan in the daily operations of the facility. This includes ensuring that employees are trained to handle their duties. To begin, the team has to make decisions on a few items. These include the number of food safety plans, the scope of each plan, which lists all the products and processes falling under each plan, and they will have to decide on human and financial resources. Normally, products with similar hazards and products that are produced in the same line are grouped together under one food safety plan. The number of food safety plans needed depends on the type of products, the differences in processing steps and equipment used in manufacturing the products, and the hazards and controls associated with ingredients and products. Products can often be grouped into one category with one food safety plan if they differ only in characteristics that do not affect food safety. For example, if the product only varies in color or in packaging format. Let's take a patty line where the hamburgers are produced and packed in different packing formats. Since the products are similar and are running on the same line and using the same equipment, only one food safety plan should be developed. Let's take another example where allergens are of concern. Some companies dedicate lines and equipment to run allergenic products such as products containing peanuts. Therefore, a food safety plan should be developed to address solely the dedicated line, even though they may be producing different flavors and packaging formats. To group products together, consider all of the products that you produce, grouping products that are produced with similar equipment and processes and have similar ingredients with similar hazards, and grouping products with the same food safety characteristics. Develop a name for each group. This is the name that will be written on the header of each form as the scope in the food safety plan. For example, vacuum-packed products can be used as the scope for all products produced in the same line and that are vacuum-packed. It is important for the food safety team to meet regularly to review information, conduct hazard analysis, and discuss implementation processes as well as any issues that may have been found. Food safety meeting minutes should be properly recorded and issues, action plans, responsibilities, and due dates should be set and monitored. The corrective actions should be verified to ensure they are effective. After the food safety plan has been implemented, they should continue to meet on a regular basis, perhaps every 6 months, and whenever changes need to be made to the food safety plans. After setting the scope and determining which products and processes fall under each food safety plan, we can move on to the next step, which is about gathering information for finished products, ingredients, processing aids, and packaging materials.